Hello everybody and thanks for coming back to the channel. This evening we're back at the secret badger stack location in Staffordshire. We're still using the night vision camera. It's pitch black, but the infrared light on the camera films the scene in the darkness. The time is 20:54 and one badger arrives early and is eating the peanuts nicely from the lawn when it's spooked by a noise. The badger makes a run for it. It's more than 1 hour before it and the rest of the clan come back to feed. The badgers then make sterling efforts to eat all the food they can find, so they're very thorough. They hardly miss a thing when it comes to food. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button and give our video a quick like. We'd really appreciate this. It really helps our channel. Thanks for watching.